Hello everybody, in this tutorial we will learn about RIP, Routing Protocol, Dynamic Routing Protocol RIP version 2. So let's create a RIP network and try to understand what happened in this protocol, dynamic protocol. First, sorry, I will remove both those and I will replicate this one after power off and add serial this one here power on. Then let's control and drag, control and drag. So let's, for example, correct this one, Vancouver, Vancouver, and this one, Montreal, and this one, Toronto, like this. Then go to serial 0, serial 0, also serial 1, serial 1, 0, serial 1, 1, serial 1. After that, make LANs for every router. Let's see a switch here, standard switches. After it, okay. Then connect also fast Ethernet, fast Ethernet, fast Ethernet, fast Ethernet, and the last one. Also, let's create a host PC. Okay, PC 3 and PC 2 and PC 1. Fast Ethernet, like always, and the last one. Now let's configure addresses. Let's see, for example, this subnet is 192.168.1.0.24, and let's see, for example, this one is 172.24, and this one, and this one 10.0.0.1, no, 0/24. Okay, so what? Let's configure the network interfaces. Now, no, enable copy interface fast Ethernet 0 0 IP address. Let's take 1.1 to 0 and no shutdown. So this is one. Let's go to the PC and make desktop IP configurations. Static 1.1.2. Default gateway is the router. 1.1 DNS server. We don't need a DNS server. Okay, that's the first. So let's go to save it. Command prompt, sorry. Ping It's okay. So by the same way we will configure all the others. Enable config interface plus Ethernet 0 IP address 1 0.1. Let's see. No, 1 1. Okay. Now shut down and go to the computer desktop API for configuration 1.16.1.2.1. Okay, so I think it's okay. Router now is the same thing now. Enable config interface as Ethernet 0 the address 0 socket 10 0 1 1. Push down, go to computer desktop 10 0 1 2 10 0 1 1. Now the subnet every LAN is configured. Let's now configure the serial connection between the routers. So this one I serial 10. Let's put here, for example, 10.10.10.0/30. Okay, and here 10.10.11.0/30, and here 10.10.12.0/30. Okay, so let's go exit and interface serial 0110, sorry, 10 IP address 10.10.10.1 and okay, 252. Now shut down, and the other side same thing. Exit, go back to the previous mode and interface serial 10 IP address 10.10, let's see, 10.10.10.2 255.255.255.222. Okay, and no shutdown, and exit if we ping 10 ping 10.10.10.1. Exit. It's good. Now its connection is working between the Montreal and Vancouver. Let's go. Oh, let's continue here. Config. And this serial is 11 is 11. Okay. Interface serial 11. IP address is 10.10.10.11.1 255.255.255.252. I have a mistake here. Okay. Now shut down, go to the other part and exit, interface serial. Which serial? This one is 10 IP address 10.10.11.2.255.255.255.252. Okay. No shutdown, sorry. Exit. Okay. Exits. Interface serial 11. 11 is IP address 10. This will be 2 and 255.255.252. No shutdown. Change its state to up. It's good. Let's go here. Vancouver serial 11. Exit. Interface serial 11. 10.10.12.1.255.255.255.252. No shutdown. Enable update router RIP. Network. So network will be this network 10 no network will be this network 192.168.1.0 version 2 and let's go to the second one and tell him the same thing. Let's go to this one. Okay. Router RIP network 10.0.1.0 version 2 no auto summary and write memory. Let's go back to the first one and add router RIP no auto summary and write memory. This one now still translating. Oh my god. Enable copy digital router network. This network has 172.168 version 2 no auto summary and as memory. Okay, let's go to the routing table. Show IP route connected. Is directly connected. We don't have any RIP routes. We have to add all routes, and now we can see our RIP in the routing table. In the routing table, we can see the routes collected by the RIP protocol. So we will try ping from PC3 to PC2. Ping 1612. It's ping on PC1. It's good. It's pinging. From PC3 to PC1 it's pinging. From PC3 to PC2 this one is not pinging because you remember we have the problem of serials between here and here. Okay, so let's go to PC1. We have a problem in this link, these two links. From PC1 to PC2. One. But to PC3 to a ping 10.0.1.02. It's pinging. So we have from here to here, but this router is isolated. I think the problem is I switched these two addresses, so I can simply remove the link or yes, remove this link. This is serial 111 and take this serial 10. So 10 has 11. 10 has 11, so it should be 11. So like this, I think we will resolve the problem. Serial 11 to 10. So 10 11 11. Now I think we can ping ping 10 10 11 2, yes, and 11 1. Yes. And now we can ping from PC2 to every ping 10.0.1.2. It's good. Now I think our network leap is correct, is good. Everything is connected. We can go from this PC to this server, for example, if we imagine that we are a web server or something like this. And same here. And this is dynamic. This is the RIP. Thank you for watching.